Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Python bindings allow you to use a library written in another language, such as C or C++, in your Python code. Compiling a Python binding involves creating a bridge between the library and Python, enabling seamless integration. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of compiling a simple Python binding on a Linux system. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed on your Linux system. You can install these dependencies using your package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, you can use. For this tutorial, we'll use a simple C library called examplelib that contains a function we want to call from Python. Create a file named examplelib.c with the following content. Next, create a CMakeLists.txt file to specify the build instructions for your library. Create a file named CMakeLists.txt with the following content. This CMake file is a basic configuration for building a shared library named examplelib. Navigate to the directory containing your examplelib.c and CMakeLists.txt files in the terminal. Run the following commands. This will compile your C/C++ library and create a shared library file, examplelib.so. Now, create a Swig interface file that specifies the interface between the C library and Python. Create a file named examplelib.i with the following content. This Swig interface file defines a module named examplelib and includes the content of examplelib.c. Run the following command to generate the Python wrapper code using Swig. This command generates a file named examplelib_wrap.c that contains the Python bindings for your C library. Now, compile the Python binding using the following commands. Replace /path/to/python/include with the path to your Python header files. You can find these files in the include directory of your Python installation. Create a Python script, example test_examplelib.py, to test your Python binding. Run the script. You should see the output hello from examplelib, indicating that the Python binding successfully called the C library function. Congratulations! You've compiled a Python binding on Linux. This process can be extended to more complex libraries and bindings, but this basic example provides a foundation for understanding the key steps involved. ChatGPT